Okay, here we go. Here's our worm bins today. I'm checking them out.
Oh,
Wow.
this one's big.
Yeah. These are definitely some very mature worms. So I got some more mites. Wow, look at that one.
Oh, that one's has eggs or something.
He was squirmy too.
Oh, this one's like a skinny looking one.
Yeah, you can tell that this is definitely the mature worm bin.
Oh, it has some rings, that one.
Mm-hmm. And this one is one of the mature ones. It's one of the older ones.
Oh, actually, the pear.
Yeah.
There's a lot of them mite
Oh,
things
there's one
in
going up
it.
there.
Oh.
There's some climbing up.
Oh, the apple's like broken.
Mm-hmm.
And
Oh yeah.
oh, look in there. There's white things. There's white things
I
in
don't know
there.
if I can see that. Let me see.
Are them eggs, maybe?
Yeah, watch
Fungus
out.
net eggs or
Watch
something?
out, you're in the light. Let me see if. I don't know.
Is there some light in the middle?
Mm-hmm. Not sure. It's probably the other bugs are in there. Okay. This bin's doing quite well. I mean, we can throw something in there for them to eat. There are a lot of worms. Whatever you guys want to throw in to eat.
Crush them up. Do it over
It takes them a while to break these up when they're not ground down really well.
You have some coffee things?
Yeah, coffee currants.
How to eat them?
You want to
Yeah.
Careful.
They add a lot of nitrogen. Okay.
Alright, watch out.
This one's got white stuff all over the top of it. What is that?
It's from the towels.
Oh.
It's all the lint.
Yeah, this isn't really wet.
Oh, it's
It's
the
not.
red one.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
There's a piece of watermelon.
Oh,
over here.
this one has a lot of food.
Just falling
Wow.
apart.
That's loaded with food.
Wow, it is pretty wet. Look how wet it is.
Oh, there's a big worm on
yeah,
this.
we need to. Okay, we need to add some paper to this. This one's really wet.
We don't have a ton of stuff. Do you think this would work for the
Maybe I'll
bottom?
scoot some of this stuff over.
Cardboard thing?
It's,
Try
Yeah,
it.
cardboard.
it's not
Wow.
very thick.
It's very,
Oh,
very
you need
wet.
cardboard works.
No, it's not gonna. Where's all the paper that we have?
We don't have very much paper.
Oh, we don't.
No.
Wish we got some.
Well, I mean, this is the thin stuff. It's not thick.
Yeah, it's not gonna really dry it up too well. Might have to leave this bin open one of these days.
It's got a little
Yeah.
bit, but there's not much. You want to move it all to the side?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
I don't
We'll
know how
see.
you want to do it. Or do you want me to
just lay
to
it
put
down in
over?
there? Yeah. It's just so. This is the soaking one.
I mean, I've got regular paper. We can use this, I suppose.
This side over here is really soaked. Here, I got my hands rubbed on these hands. Might just end up leaving this bin open one of these days.
Uh-huh.
The hypoaspis mites that I forgot to add some.
Are you gonna
Oh,
put them
let's-
in all of them, or just the bad ones?
We'll look at one bin and see which one's the worst. That one's the really wet one.
Yeah, it doesn't seem to have a ton of the bugs though. This one's the one that has all this food on it. There's all the food we've collected to put in them.
Coffee grinds, bananas, some eggs, paper towels. This one I don't think is that bad. Yeah, so looking at them hanging on that cocoa.
Oh,
Oh yeah,
everywhere now.
Yeah.
they do like it.
Uh-huh.
That's the
It's like
one bin we
wet.
have the cocoa in. We don't have it in
Can't
others.
really see this too well. There we go. It's better. It's better. This one's a little wet, not terrible. Yeah, we're gonna have to start collecting paper to get these
Yeah, that one's-
wet bins. Get these wet bins fixed. So I'm gonna check this other side of it.
Oh, that side has more.
Oh, yeah, this is where all the food's at.
Yeah, we need to move some
Oh,
over.
pear.
Yeah,
Worm on it.
yeah, there's a bunch of worms in this pear. Yeah, they're in there.
Not a ton.
Uh-uh.
Not bin.
No, but there's a lot still.
No, I need any food.
We can throw
No.
something in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Put some coffee grinds in that one.
Uh,
Oops. It's fine. Just take what you got.
this.
We'll dump that afterwards.
Okay.
Yep.
There we go. Any more? Put that paper towel in there with it. Dump some coffee grinds.
It's sticking to your gloves. Just take the whole paper towel with it, Isaac. It's fine. Yeah, just take the whole thing.
Little jags.
Yep. It's fine.
Okay. Yeah, we might have to consider like leaving our bins open to dry them out.
Yeah, but I have to watch them. Make sure no worms go out.
It might happen, but I don't think they would. Too many of them would.
Can you take the lid off
You
the
don't really
other
like
one,
that.
Isaac?
The lid off. Why?
Yeah, that one. And put it on the other one.
It's the same lid.
Yeah. Alright, close that one.
Okay.
Then you're putting that on that one.
Do you want me to put it up there?
No. We can just sweep
Different
this one
lids.
over.
So put that in there.
No, just
Oh.
put it on the ground.
Both of these open.
There you go. Good job.
Let's start with this one. Okay. Oh wow, look at them all in that corn.
Wow. That's the largest amount in one group we've gotten.
Today.
Yeah, today.
Them are little ones too. Look at it, they've almost devoured that whole stalk of corn.
Yeah, it was whole.
This one has